Hello, in this video we will discuss about Euclidean algorithm. We use Euclidean algorithm to find out greatest common divisor of any two numbers. We also know GCD, greatest common divisors, with the name of highest common factor. So let's find out how can we use Euclidean algorithm to calculate the GCD. Before that, let's see what is the usual method. How can we find out GCD without using Euclidean algorithm? So the usual or traditional method is that we have two numbers, and to find out the GCD or HCF we have to use factorization. We do the prime factorization. Let's see with an example. Let's say we have two numbers m, that is, let's say 104, and the second number, that is 65. So the usual method for finding out the GCD is we do the factorization for 104 is 13 into 8, or 13 to 2 into 2, and prime factorization for 65 is, so here 13 is common, highest common number in m and n. So this is the greatest common divisor or highest common factor. This is the usual method for finding out the highest common factor. But the Euclidean method, what it says that we have to find out the remainder of m and n, and the remainder of m and n here will be 39, and now 65 remainder 39, that is 26. We'll again find the remainder 39, remainder 26, and now that is 0. So we'll repeat this process until we get the remainder as 0. So finally we are getting the remainder 0. It means that this number 104 and 65 both are divisible by 13, and 13 is the greatest common divisor for these two numbers. We use Euclidean method for the faster results, because usual method becomes very lengthy when these two numbers are bigger, are very larger. But Euclidean method is simpler to use, is simpler to calculate the greatest common divisor, because it repeatedly find out the remainders, and finally when remainder is 0 it stops and say finally this number, the last divisor, that is the greatest common divisor. So it is easy to use, and usual method becomes very lengthy when these two numbers are bigger. Okay, in this video we have discussed about Euclidean algorithm, and in the next videos we will discuss about other important algorithms. Thank you.